Understanding transit pass in English. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase transit pass. Whether you're learning English for travel, work, or personal interest, understanding such phrases can be incredibly useful. Let's dive in. A transit pass is a ticket or card that allows a person to use public transportation systems, such as buses, trains, and subways, within a specific area. It can be a physical card or, increasingly, a digital pass on a smartphone. Transit passes often offer unlimited travel for a set period of time. This could be a day, a week, a month, or even a year. There are several types of transit passes. Single-use tickets, valid for one trip. Day passes, unlimited travel within a 24-hour period. Weekly, monthly passes, offer unlimited travel for a week or month. Annual passes, provide unlimited travel for a year, often at a discounted rate. Some cities also offer special passes for tourists, students, or senior citizens, which may include additional benefits or discounts. Using a transit pass is straightforward. 1. Purchase. Buy your pass at a transit station, online, or through a mobile app. 2. Activate. Some passes require activation before first use. 3. Validation. For physical passes, swipe or tap them at terminal gates. For digital passes, show your phone screen to a reader or a transit official. Remember to keep your pass with you during your journey, as you might need to show it for inspections. Cost-effective. Often cheaper than buying individual tickets. Convenience. No need to purchase a ticket for each journey. Time-saving. Skip long lines at ticket counters. Environmental impact. Encourages the use of public transport, which is more eco-friendly. We hope this video has shed light on what a transit pass is and how it can be a valuable tool for navigating public transportation. Whether you're a student, a tourist, or a daily commuter, understanding and using a transit pass can make your travels smoother and more economical. Happy traveling and learning!